Hello everyone, we're here at the Timber Creek Crossing Walmart and Sam's Club, and look what they have here, a freight elevator, but unfortunately we can't ride it because there's no buttons on the inside, but we can take a quick look inside. This is a shopping cart elevator, and there's no buttons inside to make it run. We have to run it from out here. So let's close the doors. And let's see if we can send it to 1F and maybe we can watch it go down. I can't see it go through there. Well, once that light changes, that means it's reached 1. Let's listen for it to stop. Never mind. It's got a... Oh! It just stopped. Alright. I guess the light stays on. Alright. I guess that will be it.